Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we're talking about the boundaries of the Участок, the ground that you bought, how we get them and what's vital about them. It's vital that you have this done so that there's no land disputes later with the boundaries, especially when you come to register your property. It must be 3 meters from the boundary. If you don't know where that boundary is, you've got a bit of a problem. So all you need to do really is get onto Avito and get hold of a Geodesist. This is a surveyor, as you can see in these pictures, and these come out and they put in markers around the boundary. They use these things, this GPS thing that measures it, and then they put markers in where your boundaries are. I used metal tubing, so it's a bit more permanent, so that anything happens, I've always got that permanently there. When you buy your property, your land, Участок, then you'll get some documents, and one of the documents will look something like this. And as you can see, it gives the coordinates of the land, of where it is, and that information is put into that GPS thing that they've got, and then they go and put those coordinates onto your ground. It costs about 1,000 rubles per kolosky, per marker, and usually put 4 in. So the next bit I want to talk about is the clearing of the land. If you've got an Участок that's overgrown and whatever, really, before you do anything, you gotta get it cleared off. You could do it yourself, I suppose, but the quickest way is to get an excavator. In this picture, it's on my land, and it's a Belarus tractor, and they cost around about 20,000 rubles per day, and they'll clear everything off. As you can see, we had a trench, an old war trench running across our land, and that's being filled in. We had a lot of trees and shrubs growing on our land, and that were way overgrown, and we cut them back. It took me about 10 days to cut all the lot back and then burn it all. You need to really check with your locals or whatever, with the administration locally, and see if you can actually do that. Some places it's forbidden, especially in towns where you can't burn rubbish and you can't do that. So it's vital that you see what other people are doing. You can see we've got the land has been cleared there, and in some of the pictures you can see we've put a string across from the markers, so we can get a clear boundary of where we're doing and what we're going to be building there. So as you can see, the land is now completely cleared and all ready for our project. While we have the tractor there, we got him to dig some trenches, drainage ditches around the edges of the Участок, which is quite normal in Russia. You find these drainage ditches around the plots of land. And the last thing you need to do, of course, is to get some kind of temporary shelter put on the land where your builders are going to stay and where you can take cover from the rain. We built this little shack to protect us, but you can get these on hire, and they can bring them in very, very easily. Or sometimes the building company will bring their own in as well. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful for you. And if you did, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Russia Expert Info, and you can ask questions there, chat to us there, or you can leave comments in the comment section here on YouTube.